Perfect. Oh, this is good. No pus, no hormones, no saturated animal fat.
No one had to get hurt either,
Yeah.
including yourself.
So a great place to get vegan snacks is Trader Joe's. They have such a good range, it's quite amazing. These marshmallows are vegan, 100% vegan, and yes, they're not fruit, but they are a good substitute and they are vegan. And Shane, we want you to stay on the vegan path, especially at least for this day. So here are some options that you can grab. These are like dinner substitutes. You can also grab some of these raw vegan fruit bars when you're on the go. Heaps of different varieties. We've got like apple and banana, we've got coconut and apple and strawberry, and this peanut butter is 85% less fat than normal peanut butter, and it's low sodium as well. Some vegan caramel popcorn and good old Cliff bars. There's heaps of varieties of Cliff bars that are vegan, and they are just really, really satisfying and a great snack.